sweet rice. Sweet rice. So today they have made 3 items. One is that special rice, sweet and curd preparation. These 3 items are supplied today. Here you can see all these vessels are connected to these ducts here. Remove it. So the same way the preparation flows from here and goes to the ground floor for packing. You can have a look now. He is going to put. See, like this it comes. As I said, today there is a curd preparation with the vegetables. This is called raita. These are specially designed for us. All these things. Yes, many of these things. So this is on this side what you see. This is tank meant specially for lentils. Lentil soup. From the top, when we put the lentil soup in that duct, it comes directly to this. Today what you will find in this is the curd preparation. You will find. Otherwise every other day you will find it lentil soup in this. This side directly, those ducts are connected to the vessels here directly. Directly they keep on filling it. As you can see the operation now, how they fill it. Fill marte. In which one it is? In this? Come here, you can have a look. So whenever they want, they remove the lever and then the rice comes down like this and then they pack it here. And manually, if there is excess rice filled in this, he removes it like this. And then you can see here, he is going to put a lid on that. It will be packed finally here. And the person there is putting the batch number. What you see there with the sticker, he is putting the batch number on that. The idea is we want to trace out which batch of cooking is contained in which vessel. Because let us say by chance something happens, let us say some of the food gets spoiled, whatever reason it may be, we should be able to track it down on which route it has gone so that we can inform that particular school that don't consume. Otherwise what happens, there should not be a panic all over because the food is going for 180,000 children. So whichever batch there may be some problem, we inform that particular school that don't consume it like that. So that is the whole idea of batching system. This is the final loading section what we see here. That side the loading is done for the rice. This side loading is generally done for the lentils, lentil soup. And there you see the loading is done for curds or yogurt. So there are 3 different places the loading is done. The vehicle first comes here and it loads the yogurt. Then it comes here, it loads the lentil soup. Then it goes to the other section, it loads the rice part. And you can see these are all customized built vehicles. And in the down yogurt, in the middle rice, and on the top lentil soup, like that it is stored and then it will be packed. As I said that around up to 1 o'clock the food remains hot. Up to around 78 degrees is what it is found. And around 430 workers are working, but they are working in different shifts. Early morning itself we have workers who are required early in the morning. Some workers are required at around 10 o'clock for cutting the vegetables. Then later for cleaning. purposes labors are required. So in different shifts, around 430 people are working here. At the school level, the teachers, they take the responsibility of distributing the food. In the school, the teachers take the responsibility.
Plates and glasses will be served?
The plates are generally provided by the schools. We give them the vessels, they empty the vessels. After it is over at around, let us say 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we collect back the vessels, and then once again we bring it here to clean, and the next day again they are utilized. So she is asking that does our vehicle goes to the school 2 times? So yeah, it goes 2 times, but because it's the same route, let us say it goes to the last school in the same route, then it will start collecting the vessels back way. So it collects the balance vessels, empty vessels, and we bring them back here for cleaning. This kind of bigger vehicle, you can see, it can accommodate food for around 15,000 children. You can have a look at the racks we arrange. And the smaller vehicles, it can arrange food for around 5,000 children. This is a steam generation unit. What you see here, all our food is cooked through the steam generated by these boilers. And these are of very, very good capacity. It takes care of all our requirements for the cooking of the food. And the raw material for the steam generation is the furnace oil which we are using. That is a furnace oil tank. This is what you see, this is a furnace oil. And these are the quarters for our staff who stay back. Early in the morning they are required for the work here. So there are staff quarters there. What you see there, that side, other side, you can see that is a workshop. We have our own inbuilt workshop. We don't send our vehicles outside for repairing or for maintenance. Everything we maintain here itself. And over there, if you see this, from the first floor, whatever wastage of organic matters are there, like some kind of vegetable waste or rice or anything like that, all of them we are utilizing to recycle it, to make it into manure, vermicompost, and then we use it for our garden purpose.
You have your own garden?
Yes, we have our own gardens, as you can see here also. And then a little bit on that other side, we have a small temple also, where there is a huge garden.
How many kitchens are there now in India?
We have around 15 kitchens, 15.
So how's your experience here at Akshay Patra?
This is a mind-blowing experience. I'm involved in a school feeding program in Haiti, where we do the decentralized kitchen, and that's a completely different setup, which is also more expensive, but it's a completely different setup. This is like a very modern way of industry, and I'm very, very pleased to have had the chance and the invitation from Deshpanda in order to be able to come here and to see it.
Oh, it's fantastic. Really like how this is being run as a business operation, and it's a testimony to how implementing business type of processes to the NGO environment really works effectively.
So this Akshay Patra Foundation, the mission of the Akshay Patra Foundation is to see that no child goes hungry, and hunger is not a block to their education. We have been seeing that actually when the children are hungry, they go out of the school and they pick up some kind of menial jobs, and in order to promote them to come to the school, we are supplying them a very good meal through this midday meal program, and that is the mission of Akshay Patra, to get more and more children to attend the school, because education can break the poverty cycle of the whole family. So this is one of the most important mission what we are trying to achieve in Akshay Patra.